Coming into law school, I knew about Ames as a competition. It was one of the factors I thought a lot about when I decided to come here.
I've loved working on teams, and I knew I loved legal research and writing coming out of 1L, and so it felt kind of like a no-brainer to want to do Ames.
I think it's an unparalleled opportunity as a law student to get hands-on experience doing appellate litigation, trying out these issues and like really putting together a professional level brief.
It's been really cool to see how much I can push myself, to see how good I can be at this, because it's something that I never necessarily saw in myself the potential to do, so it's been great to explore that.
We are the Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg Memorial Team. Justice Ginsburg was a tireless advocate for justice, and we have a deep respect for her jurisprudence and her commitments to the law. She was one of a handful of women in her class at Harvard Law School, and throughout her career advanced gender equality both during her time at the ACLU and on the bench with her majority opinions and her famous dissents. It kind of felt like time stopped when our name got called.
We'd put our blood, sweat, and tears into the semifinals brief, and to find out that it was enough to move us along to the final round was just so exciting.
When you're up at the podium, you can't see any of the audience behind you. So it really does feel like it's just you and the three judges talking to each other. And it just feels like a conversation. And so I've always found that process to be really rewarding. Definitely nerve-wracking, not to get me wrong, but I think it's something that really makes the whole process more personable.
It's been great to be working as part of this team, so everyone's exceptionally brilliant, and it's been so great to learn from them, and seeing how they approach research and writing has made me want to be a lot better at those things.
You don't really get these sorts of collaborative opportunities that regularly in law school. You really have to seek them out, and so I think just being able to spend dozens of hours, probably hundreds of hours at this point, working with people who are extraordinarily talented it's been something that I've been really fortunate to have. We're feeling confident in the work we've done. Of course, I think there's also sort of some sense of sadness that it's all coming to an end.
It's been a year and a half of writing briefs and working with the same team late nights.
We're definitely feeling excited to be close to the end. It's been a really fun ride so far, but we're excited, turning our attention to the next phase and preparing for the argument itself.
A lot of it does come down to finding the right argument and the right words, the right case, and I think that we have, and I think I'm really excited for people to see that.